how to create SEO-friendly website content using artificial intelligence tools, whether it's DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. Simply visit Rankia website and download this template. And all you need to do is change keywords. It can be anything related to your business website. Then run the command, as in run the prompt using any of the AI tools that you prefer, and just copy the content. But if you were to simply copy paste, that wouldn't be smart. Instead, you want to double check the content the AI tool has generated for you, and perhaps add your own voice to it. I tend to not use symbols in headings or even numbering in headings, so keep that in mind. So now let's take a look. I've just made basic changes, added my own voice to that example for you. You want to triple check the content before you publish, obviously, and simply visit Rankia blog to learn a bit more insights about this, as in how you can create fully search engine optimized content using my own template. That was actually part of the latest private course, but I'm making it available for you to download, okay? Then that particular template that I've got, it actually generates text prompts. So if you're using AI tools to generate images, that particular template makes the process easy. Now do keep in mind, Google does reward websites that provide useful original content as well. And if you can edit the images the AI tools have generated for you, perhaps modify them, mix and match, as in, make it as original as possible so you can upload it to your website, okay? So at this moment, that template will help you to generate SEO-friendly website content. But I'll show some tips and insights that can actually extend your website content. Let's go and see some of the templates that I actually use. Here, let's say this div element, right? This is structured data you can use. You can get samples from Google's help section. Let's say microdata format. So that's the question and answer div. So just copy that, you would. But that template has gone ahead and assisted you to do many different things, such as, let's imagine you were offering gardening type of services or products. Then looking at the template, you can say, okay, can I create additional content? So you can do that using AI tools. This can be easy. So then you're extending the content you've just published. Or perhaps your next blog post can be this. Okay, but what if we do something like this? Using AI tools, let's say, here is the question. Answer it in one paragraph. Let's see. So this is the question now, right? And it's gone ahead and answered for us. So now what we can do is, using structured data, this here, this one div. So I'll actually use that to show you. Let's say this was the content, some AI generated content above. Let's change the question. That was the question. Headings in English on a website should be capitalized. Accept that. So that's the question. An AI tool has gone ahead and answered the question. Let's just do something like this. Put there in paragraph tag. Next, because these words are related, okay, let's get it to ask a question to it and get a one paragraph answer related to the content that you're creating. Okay, name, let's say, okay, let's do something like this. Indoor versus outdoor gardening in spring in Australia. Okay, what question can I ask is the thought pattern we need to have. Okay, name 3 plants for indoor gardening in Australia in springtime. So that's the question. 1, 2, boom, 3. Okay. Now, let's do that. So that was one question. Let's grab the sample code, which is structured data. Let's ask a question. And just change the example here. And our answer is already given to us. Let's copy that and paste it within the answer area. Now, using that template, what you can do is you can quickly and easily create content, double check everything, adhere to these basic insights and make them yours. Then, using the help section, frequently asked questions, you can perhaps create related question and answer type of complementary content for your AI generated content. Yeah, when you do this, it will be much better than just using the template to create content. So, this is how to create SEO-friendly website content using AI. If you benefit from this video session, and also if you're using the template I've generated, please do give it a shout out on Rankia YouTube channel, or even share a link to Rankia website as well. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.